Alright, so welcome back to White House Farm. We're going to show you a quick little video on how to use an apple peeler and corer, and that's what this is right here. And we have our fresh organic apples. Make sure to check out all of our videos. We did a ton of apple stuff this year, so I'm going to show you it really simple. A lot of people don't know how to use these. Right here is a release lever. You press this and you're going to pull this all the way back through. And then in order to make it go forward, you have to wind it. And this part holds it so it stays in place. Right here is your actual peeler, and you may have to adjust this for your depth on your whatever fruit, if you're using, because you can use pears too, but mainly it's for apples. You adjust this with the gap, and that'll give you how much of the skin and underneath it'll take off, because you could actually take a good chunks off if you don't have it set right. And you just got to make sure that that's tightened up so it doesn't move around on you. And same thing with this here. This is your corer, and you have to make sure that these line up. I'll push this straight through. Has to be able to line up and go through there in order to do this properly. That way it's centered and you get the corer. And another thing, you got to make sure that this bolt here is tight, because if that's not tight, it'll move around and stuff, because this is meant just to peel and not to core as well. So you could flip this down if you don't want to core it. So let me show you right here. And you want to put the 3 prongs, you want to put it directly in the center. And you'll put this on here. And then you can mount these tables too. I just usually hold them. And then you just turn. Or you can move this forward if you don't want to turn. And then you'll see it'll start to catch, and it'll start to peel. It'll start to push that right through. So this apple was a little soft, but for demonstration purposes, there you go. Very soft apple. So, and good. So I'll show you some clips from the videos we did the other day, making all of our stuff and my son using it. But really quick, simple, and easy. And you get your apple strings here, and to take the core off, you're gonna press this lever right here, and you're gonna pull back, and there's your core. Really simple and very easy to clean up too. You could just rinse this whole thing under water, spray it off. Go ahead and you're going to place the center. Yep. You're going to push it on there. Just like that. Alright. Now you're going to hold this, or I'll hold this, and you can go ahead and start winding it. And just go slow once you start getting up there, okay? You can go a little faster. Go ahead. And contact. Yep. All the way. Keep going. All the way. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right. So now, yep, pull that whole thing off. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Go ahead, you can have that. You can eat that if you want. There we go.
Oh, it's so cool how I made it like that.
Yeah.
It's like an apple with no skin.
Go back. And just be careful. Get that centered on there. Yep. A little tricky. There we go. Alright, here. Go ahead. All the way. apple string.
Tastes like an apple.
Oh yeah.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.